about joining, trying to find a way to
Fine, fine.
impact.
Fantastic. Fantastic thought,
Yeah.
man. Really, very nice. Impressive thoughts.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you
Mm.
have any, like, you have done any programming before?
Yes, I have not actually done programming. It was of recent, like some months ago, like let's say
Huh.
2 months ago. I looked at the applications of Python, and I was as in I was so passionate about the application when it comes to artificial intelligence and this
Uh,
data analysis.
fine,
There are a lot
fine,
of things.
fine.
There was a video I saw. There's a video I saw on. I think China is using it. It was about artificial intelligence, trying to know who is safe
Definitely.
from this coronavirus.
Yeah, yeah.
Those ones with red are people that are very exposed to the virus. Those ones with yellow that they are
Yes.
still trying to. They're not all that safe. So I was thinking if something like that could exist, I can
Ah.
actually go into it like big time. So
Yeah, 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 yeah. You are correct. You are correct on that platform. Like many things we can do it, automate, and easily identify it before the doctor can also identify through your programming
yes,
skills. That is very good
yes.
and very helpful.
All right, so
Hmm. So anyone not need to worry if somebody, like I have taught to no, many non-CS guys, even like housewife homemakers also come just to learn Python. I have taught to them also, like Nigerian, Florida. These all places I have already taught. Many courses I have done of Python. So no need to
wow,
worry.
that's great. I'm so happy because coming from a non-programming kind of field, like
Uh,
chemistry is not really programming, though we did a little of
no,
maths, a little.
nothing worry.
So
Like I have an experience on all those things, so it's not a big. I know how to teach and how to proceed it. I'll go from A B C D to Z, so it's not an issue for
wow.
you. Okay, so I'll
All
go
right,
from
all right.
what is compiler memory, computer memory, how it is. Like moment you have written, my screen is shareable to you, isn't it? You can see my screen, isn't it?
Yes, I can see your screen. Core Python, Advanced
Ah,
Python,
data
Data
science,
Science, Django.
Django,
Yes, I've
Twinkle,
seen it.
fine, good, good, good. So what happen is, for example, if
Think,
Tincture is
Data
there for,
Science, Django, Thinker,
yeah, yeah,
and
yeah,
then web scraping.
for what you are saying, for making a graphical user interface in Python, no, you require this to learn. Tincture is there, Tincture. That also I'll be
Okay.
showing you how to do it. Okay, anyhow, what I'll be doing is that if the moment you are writing in Python a equal to 10, what is happening inside the computer memory, those things also I'll be making you understand. So it's not an busy. I'll go from very basic, from scratch to advanced version. Good enough.
Yeah, very good enough, sir.
So that's the reason. So this is the thing. So anyhow, any doubt you have before, or I should proceed with my syllabus? I'll show you the syllabus.
Yeah, you can proceed, sir.
Fine, good enough, good enough. So what all things we will be seeing is that core Python I'll be showing. Okay, I'll be teaching in detail. Then I'll be teaching in
Okay,
detail
sir.
the I'll be teaching in details the advanced Python. Then I'll be teaching in the theory part what is data science, what is happening in data science, and what are the modules.
Okay.
Like there are many modules or frameworks are there. With the help of that, you can do an analyze of data, or you can see the data. Those things will be taught over here. Then Django is there, in which what happen is that if you are creating your website in Python also only, then I'll be
Mm,
explaining how to create a one web page application, a website through Python.
mm,
So that will come
yeah.
in Django.
Okay.
It's very, like in market there is a huge demand for this Django. Once you learn it, there are like, once you have completed this program, no, this course, there will be a lots of 100 plus job opportunity, or opportunity will be uh, created for you, like that it will be. You can go in 100 plus
Wow, that's
places like that. Means now what is happening is, then no matter the
okay.
person is from, no matter the person is from science background, biology background, chemistry background, math background, or
Mm,
even language program also, background also, they are also learning this Python
mm,
because it's very easy and very helpful.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah. So Django is there that I'll be doing. Then I'll be explaining you. Twitter is there for creating a graphical user interface. You'll be creating a software, a kind of calculator kind of it, in which what will happen is that that don't require any internet connections to work on it. You can have in your system and you can work it. Now there's a one more
Mm.
concept is there, web scraping. So in web
I've seen
scraping,
web scraping.
yeah. So
Yes.
web scraping, what happened? For example, there's a product in Amazon.com. Good enough. That product is price is $100. For example, $100. But you want that
Okay.
product to be at $80. The moment $80 will come, then you will buy that product. So one way is to keep on opening that page again and again, website again and again, and see the price of that product, or this opening again and again you can do automate using the web scraping. Means what happened, the moment the Amazon.com makes that product $100 to $80, suddenly a mail will come in your mail ID or
Mm.
a message will come, and at that moment you open the website, there will be $80 the price of that same product, and now you can click on it and you can buy the product. Isn't it great?
Wow, it's wonderful. It's extraordinary. It's wonderful.
Yeah, so that's the reason. Means for example, like what is happening is, this is the reason, like you can you can preserve your time, you can invest your time for other perspective, and the opening website or looking after that particular product on the real time basis is done by your software which you have created your own. That's the great. Fine. So anyhow, my name is Shakib. I'm a researcher. I'm working in government organization only, and my what is the thing is that we are predicting 15 days ahead what will be the scenario of this ocean related. For example, if any cyclone is going to come in all over the world, okay, we tell to
Yes,
those
sir.
particular coastline areas guard that this cyclone is going to come. So better what you need to do is better vacate those coastline areas around this lake
Mm.
or ocean areas, so that for
Okay.
example, what happened recently, a funny cyclone came. A cyclone came whose name is Funny. Okay, this same
Mm.
cyclone came in 1990s also. In 1990, what
Wow.
happened, same cyclone came 1919, then it's destroyed all the, like around two, unfortunately around 2 lakhs people we lost it due to this cyclone disaster. Okay, now
Wow. Wow.
what will happen, this same cyclone came in now also in 2019 it came, but since we were monitoring all the time, so 15 days
Yes.
ahead only we informed all the coastline like nearby sea areas part that this cyclone is going to come. So what you need to do, you need to vacate those places so there won't be any harm for you.
Mm.
So what happened, like this time we what happened this time we
Wow.
didn't lost, this time what happened, this time we didn't lose any life due to this particular our credits or what you can say our work.
Mm. Because you have prepared your prediction.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, that's the reason. Like 15 days ahead what will happen, we do computation like that and we acknowledge them that this is going to be happening. Okay,
Wow.
same is there,
That's good.
potential fishing zone is there, same is there, departments are there, like tsunami data department is there. Like tsunami is going to hit it, then we will be the first one to know the tsunami is going to hit. Good.
Mm.
So there's the work
Wow.
which I do basically, and side by side I teach also Python. So my most of like 90% of the work in my office I do in Python only.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
Okay, so the course objective is
Um.
the course objective I'm talking about. The purpose of this course is to introduce to student employees to the field of programming using Python language. Okay, after we'll
Yes,
be
sir.
able to, hello,
Yes, I can hear you.
yeah, fine, you can hear, no?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, fine. So the student and employees, this is the objective I am talking about. What the objective is of code. The student and employees will be able to enhance their analyzing and problem solving skills and use the same for writing programs in Python. So all the things we will do in Python only. By writing their own Python script, they can easily solve, automate most of the real world problems. what you are facing in day to day life, that we will be solving or will be making automate through our Python script. Basically, you if you learn it, then you will be only writing the Python code, and you will make that particular task as a automate, means automatically it will done. It will reduce your efforts and all.
Mm.
So okay, the install and run the Python interpreter, create and execute the Python program, understand the concept of file, input, output, core Python and advanced Python, be able to read data from text file using Python, and many more we will be seeing. So this is the topic. Prerequisites for this course is nothing, because I am going from the basics. Okay, no matter if somebody is not from the
Yes, sir.
computer background, then also I'll be going from A, B, C, D like that from the scratch. So it's not required. And even though if you find it out in any topics, any difficulty, you are freely to ask. I'll make you understand from the very root of it. Okay.
All right, sir.
Now the outcome is what? After completion of this course, the student or the employee should be able to know the concept in problem solving. How you, if suppose any problems come, then how you will proceed to solve those problem, all the instruction that we will see, to do programming in Python language, to write diversified solution using Python language, open to 100 plus new job as well as work opportunity. This is for sure. This is going to be happen for sure. You will be open to what? 100 new jobs and opportunities for sure, because everyone is talking of right now of Python, 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 no matter from where the background is of that person. Okay, can create a web
Okay, sir.
application, desktop application, data analyzing, scientific work, and many more you can do it. Good. So this was the about the details. Now I'll go to the details of the course circular, all the syllabus. We'll go it what all things we will do. So getting started, what is Python? Brief history about the Python, comparison of Python with other programming language, how the Python is differ from C, C++ or Java. Okay, what are the features of Python, execution model of Python, and user domain for Python, companies or industry which are using Python currently, which all companies are there. I'll give you an example also, real world example, that you, if you are seeing this particular thing, then this is written in Python only, like that I'm making you understand. Okay, job trends in Python programming, after what are the opportunities of,
Okay, sir.
are the jobs related to Python, that I'll be explaining. And then I'll be saying you about the Python application, means if somebody knows the Python, then what all things he can create, he can develop on his own, that I'll be talking about in this topic. Okay, in details, no need to worry. Okay, these just this just I am showing what, this I am showing the topics only. These topics will be covered in detail in the classes. Okay, after making the theory understandable, I'll be doing coding or programming on those particular topics which we have talked in theory. Good enough.
Good enough, sir.
Fine. So introduction, what will happen? Comparison of Python version 2.7 with 3.x, 3.5, 3.7, whatever. Online live installation of Python. I'll be showing you live, means how to install or where to install and what are the instruction to follow while installing the Python. I'll be showing you live how to do it. Okay. Now Python installer, different Python IDLE is there. Okay, development editors are there, Python, PyCharm, Jupyter, Anaconda. I'll be talking about this. Okay, now comes the core Python, indentation in Python, identifiers in Python, reserve keywords in Python, variables details, different comments in Python, what all are the ways of commenting in Python, why we required comment, I'll be talking about that. Input output and input output and import function, these are the topics, no need to worry. Each and every topics will be discussed in detail in the classes. Okay,
All right, sir.
script taking input from the user, for example, mix from here itself, from second classes itself we will be start doing programming in Python. Okay, means you will be writing a script in which you will ask to the person what is your name, and the whatever the person enters his or her name will be displayed. Hello Python, hello Java, hello Ikimi, hello whatever name is there, that will be coming. Okay, so we'll
Mm.
start the coding, reading the different types of forms, displaying the output, importing the function. Now we will create, as you got that one time password is coming, no, the random number when you are doing some purchasing or that, isn't it? One time password, OTP.
Yes, sir. Oh,
So that we will do, how that, for that we will write a programming code in Python. Okay, so that I'll be showing how we it is been generated. So one time password or OTP program in Python, that I'll be showing. Then data types, numbers, type conversion, many script example I'll be showing. And then I'll be asking questions while I'm teaching also. Okay, I'll be asking in between that these are the possibilities, these are the questions which are coming in my mind, what is the example that I'll be asking. And after the while the classes is going to be closed or going to be over, I'll be giving 4 5 questions related the topics which we have covered in the classes. Okay, so that as an homework kind of, okay, as an assignment. Good.
yes, evaluation.
For evaluation. So what you need to do is that 4 5 questions, in which one or two question will be typical one, so a little hard, so that you can think of your own. Okay, that you need to do. And the next time what will happen, next day, first we will discuss about the assignment. Okay, I'll see the assignment, and we will I'll clear all your doubts about the assignment if you have any. And after you making understand about the assignment questions and answer, then only we will proceed to new topics. Good.
Very good, sir.
Hmm. So data types with method, integer, float, bool, complex, these are the data types we will be seeing. And again, quizzes and assignment I'll be giving. Now operators, arithmetic operators, relational operators, comparison operators, equality operators, logical operators, bitwise operators. These are the, for example, if you are writing a program for a for a school. So in that school, what happened? There are students whose age is from 1 to 20, suppose, or 1 to 15. But what happened? You want only the student name whose age is 1 to 5. So how you will write this? Only the student name whose age is 1 to 5, with the help of this operator, which will be which I will be discovering what is it in details. In theory I'll be explaining, then again programming will do lots of example. Good. Now comes the flow control. If, else. Loop is there, for loop, while loop. These are the topics, no need to worry. I'll go in details in classes and in theory. After understanding theory, I'll be showing you lots of example, programming example, Python example. So it makes you very clear. Now nested loop are there. Okay. Control statement, break, continue. Again, quizzes and assignment. Function is there. Basic useful function, advanced function, anonymous function or lambda function, recursive function, function with more than one return type, quizzes and assignment. Okay. So these are just the topic. No need to afraid from it. I'll be explaining each and every topics very nicely. Good. Now comes the modules and packages, import statement, directory function, reload function, date and time module, quizzes and assignment, file handling. Okay. If so, up to this, after up to this process, what will happen that you will be able to you will be able to write a program very easily. Up to this means very hard kind of program you can do, you can write on your own very easily. Now what happened, if suppose these files are there in my directory, these files are there, since we are doing what, we are doing all the things in Python. So what happened that these files, how to open or read it, if suppose some text file are there, if suppose this text file is there, I want to read this text file through my Python only, so that I can do with Python, so that I'll be showing you in classes. Okay, how to do it. Good. Now
Very good,
that
sir.
will come in, that will come in file handling. Okay, how to open any file, how to read the file, how to create a file, how to write into the file. Okay. Now how to make folder directory in Python, that I'll be explaining, making new directory with Python, renaming directory with Python. Okay, all the things will be. Up to this your core Python syllabus got completed. Now we will be starting about the advanced Python. Oops concept, classes and object, destructor in Python, encapsulation, data hiding, inheritance. These are the topics. For suppose if you are creating any program of any classroom and you have a key of, there is a one lock in door, okay, and there is only one key. So to whom access you will, to whom you will give an access of that key, to teachers or to all the students? You should give a security purpose to teacher only. So that key hiding from student, how we will can do is it will be coming in data hiding. Okay, that we will see. Okay, inheritance. Suppose if there is a parent, then some property from the parents automatically comes to the child. That is known as inheritance. So that inheritance concept is there in Python also, programming language, that I'll be explaining. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now over method overriding, polymorphism, quizzes and assignment, and then exceptional handling. If some error comes while you are running the program, your system should not get crashed or your software should not get crashed, then how to handle that kind of errors, that kind of errors is known as exceptional handling. Good. That I'll be sharing with you how to do that. Good. Now regular expression. Now what happened in the file handling, you know how to open a file, how to write into the file, and how to do edit operation as well as read operation in a file. So now, as like in Microsoft Word or Microsoft Office Word, what to happen is that you search someone, some pattern, and you can replace also. That will be coming in regular expression. Okay, that will be coming in regular expression. So that only I'll be teaching you how to do in Python in regular expression. You will be writing your code in Python, and it will open that particular file which you want to open, and it will search for that particular pattern which you want to search. Okay, and it will replace it up. If you want to replace, it will replace or any operations if you want, that will be done in regular expression. Good. And again, quizzes and assignment I'll be giving as usual. Now what happen, if your datas are very huge amount, you won't be saving into a simple text file, you will be saving into row and column format. So I'll be talking about why we require database programming, what is the need of it. Okay, and then I'll be showing you how to do this data programming concept in Python. Okay, how, what are the code you have to write, lines of a code you have to write, so that you can do store the data into a table format, so that it becomes easy for you for retrieving and doing any operations in huge amount of data or storing huge amount of data. Okay, that all things will be so connecting to a database, creating tables, insert operation, update operation, delete operation, read operation, disconnecting from a database, exceptional handling in database, and again quizzes and assignment as usual. Okay, is we, it means that after each and every topic, I'll be giving you quizzes as well as assignment to do it. Good. Any doubt till now?
No, sir. School.
Fine. After that, after completion of this database programming, your advanced Python also get completed. Then we will be talking about data science concept. Means I'll be talking about data science theory, what is data science, and what all job profiles are there in this data science. Okay, and then I'll be showing you some popular modules for data science. For example, if you have any kind of a file, an Excel file, CSV file, or tables file, or simple text file, how to operate it up through your Python, easily using the pandas modules are there. For example, if you are going for any job interview or any job opportunities are there, they will ask you, or if you write this, that I know pandas as a module in Python, they will prefer you as more as compared to others. So these will add some benefits to you. Okay, and even though you can
Mhm.
do lots of opportunity, you can do lots of work also, so by doing this pandas work. Anyhow, what I'll be doing, since it is an external module, it's not come with Python, so I'll be showing you up how to download, how to install in your Python, how to install in your system with a live instruction. Okay, from there this instruction you have to write, this command line you have to write, so that it will come. After getting installed in your system, how to check whether it has been got installed or not. So all the instruction I'll be showing. Okay, same way there will be a numpy module. Another module will be numpy is for if you want to do any science related work. So for that, numpy module will be very helpful. So again, I'll be showing you how to install this numpy and what all operations you can do it with example. If you want to see the data, if you want to visualize the data, for that purpose matplotlib is there. I'll be talking about that. Okay, again I'll be talking about Twinkler, which is another GUI or desktop application, in which what happens that Twinkler, I'll be explaining in theory what is Twinkler, why we required it, and there are widgets about in Twinkler. So I'll be explaining each and every widget also, and then I'll be creating a simple calculators in Python, only and only Python, using Python, no other concept in Twinkler module. Means what all theory I have taught you, what all theory I have taught you, same I'll be showing a real world kind of a example, a program. Good. Now comes what? Django is there, a web framework. If you want to create a website of Python, or if you want to create a website in Python itself, so for that, I'll be explaining you Django, how to install it. See, this is also not coming by default. And while doing this Django, we cannot do with simple IDLE, which comes with a Python. So we will be, I'll be showing you up how to install a heavy editor like ideally, for example PyCharm. I'll be showing how to install in your system, what all are the procedures to install it, what all things should be mandatory while installing in your system, and how to operate. That is the main thing, how to operate the PyCharm, where to install the modules, all those things I'll be explaining you. So need not have to worry. Okay, then I'll be explaining Django theory, then PyCharm installation as I told. Then we will be creating a one simple one web page kind of a website. Means it won't be great, it will be just one web page kind of, just to show the functionality. Means if you these are the way Django is following and how you can create your website. Okay, now web scraping I'll be talking about, scraping explanation I'll be giving, and an a project, an example of web scraping I'll be doing, and I'll be showing you. Any other doubt you have? All good?
All good, sir.
All good? Is the syllabus okay?
Yes, it's okay. But you want to ask, how long would this take? How long would the course take?
Cost or duration you are asking?
No, like how long? Like in terms of months
It
and
will take around 2 months, not more than 1.5 month or 2 months around that.
okay, that's
Is it
what I
okay
want to
from
know.
your
And
side, or you required
it's okay.
yeah.
It's okay. And also, I went through Django kind of website. They were asking. They were like, I saw HTML file.
Yeah.
Is it that I must also learn HTML if I want to build
Fine.
website on Django?
Uh-huh. Fine, fine, fine. So no, for what happened, this course is for basically core Python and advanced Python. These are the extra things which I am teaching, which are not included.
Okay.
I am giving some extra add-ons kind of thing, just to get the familiarity. Means you have learned Python, where all are the possible places or implementation in your real world or real world application where will be you will be using your skills. For that purpose I am showing all the possibilities, what all things you can do with Python. Okay,
Oh,
and that
all right, sir.
moment, once you have now first step is what, that you don't know how to, like somebody don't know how to do the programming in Python. That the main motto is for that to understand the programming in computer.
Yes,
Second motto
yes.
is that how to do it in Python. That too will be detailed in detail, very detailed. It will be taught in
Mm-hmm.
this. And after somebody becomes good in programming, then what I am doing from my behalf only, I am just, it will take some time, it will take 1 or 2 days to more than 1 week to understand all the possibilities, what all you can do with Python. So just to help the participant, that what really happens, no, they understood, they can code enough to in Python, but they don't know how to implement or where to implement. That is missing, that's the
Mm.
path is missing. So it becomes
Yes.
somehow useless only. If you know or you
Yeah.
don't know, it becomes useless because you don't know where to implement. So that where to implement, I'll be explaining in this extra add-ons kind of thing. And I won't be going very details in this Django or web scraping. I'll be just touching up. If you want to go in detail at that moment, I feel like that is the moment where you should be thinking like, I'm interested in creating a web application, so I should learn in
Mm.
more details Django. Or if I am, what happened, I got some view about data science. Now I am interested in doing the data operation, so I should go in data science, like that.
Yeah.
So
I
what
get you now.
happened,
I get you.
so what happened is basically, everyone is saying that data science or Django, and the person at the beginning, he or she has the motivation. He joined the class, he pay the fee, and after paying the fee, after 15 days, he find it out, this is not my cup of tea, I cannot go with it. So then what happen is,
Mm.
there comes in trouble for him also, mentally as well as physically also, that he will be feeling like, oh, I'm a kind of useless, I cannot do anything. I've invested my money over there, and it becomes very difficult for anyone to be in that situation. So to prevent the person from that kind of a situation only, I am making an extra effort to show you guys that these are the possibility, and now is the best time to decide which property or which profile you are more interested. And if suppose after covering these courses you find it out, no, I'm more interested in creating a web application, then there's a Django classes course is also there, in which we will be talking about HTML, CSS, Java query, JavaScript, all those things in detail. So it will also take some time, because it's not a 1 week of a course. It's at least, no matter how the person will do, it will be take around 1 month for sure in going into details. Understood?
I understand.
Fine. So any doubt you have?